Hello, Aspen. It is your 2020 tech tip for August. I can't believe it's the end of the summer. That went really fast. Okay, today we're going to talk about editing keyboard shortcuts. This is another one of those, like all of these tech tips have been great for me because they're really helpful for my everyday life. So anyway, hopefully this will help you become a little bit more efficient at work instead of doing things the long way. So the overview of what I'm going to talk about today is when you're editing documents, spreadsheets, calendars, etc., you can use the following keyboard shortcuts to reduce mouse clicks and edit documents faster. These are common, they're common across all applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, internet browsers, chat applications, Google, etc. So this should be universal, all the things that I'm talking about today. So I don't know if any of you guys know, like when I copy things, I highlight it and then right click it, and that's how I copy things, but you can actually use Control-C to copy it. So you'll click and hold and drag the cursor to highlight the text you want to copy. That's the way I do it. Or you can do Control-C and we'll copy the highlighted text to a clipped memory. Well, it's a memory clipboard really. So Control-C will copy and highlight the text. And to cut it, you can click, hold, and drag the cursor to the highlight, the text you want it to cut, or you can hit Control-X, will copy the highlighted text to a memory clipboard and cut/remove it from the document. Either way you can do it. I usually do it the long way, but that Control-C and the Control-X is kind of like the shorter way to do it. Paste is you're going to click in the document to place the cursor where you want to paste the contents of the clipboard. So you can do it that way, that's a little bit of the longer way, or you can do Control-V and that will insert the clipboard contents at the cursor. To select all, again, you can click and highlight anywhere in the document. You can click anywhere in the document and you can push Control-A will highlight all the text in the document or section. You can use Control-C or Control-X to copy or cut the text. And then you can, to do undo, you're going to Control-Z and it will revert back. So in case like you started it and you messed something up, you're just going to go Control-Z to revert back to the last thing that we were doing. And that will do that for anything. That will do it for cut, paste, typing, deleting text, copying, so that will work for all of those types of things. These apply to all the applications as well. So the editing shortcuts will apply to most third-party apps, Google apps, internet browsers, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. So again, this is just a little bit of a quicker way to move things around or to not have to retype something. Just makes things a little bit easier for you. So hopefully that helps. I can't believe we're at the end of the summer, but you know, we're going to be rolling into fall soon, so we will be talking to you guys. But I love talking to you guys. Let me know what else you guys need. If you guys have any ideas of tech tips that you want to hear from us, send me an email. You guys can call 719-358-2382. That's our business line. You can text us at 303-648-1201. If you have something that you need pretty emergent or a quick response, you can text us. And if you want a ticket, put in a support ticket for something that you need in 24 to 48 hours, you're going to email support@strategictechsolutions.zohodesk.com. And that way we can dispatch a tech to you guys immediately and get you guys going on things. But again, if you have any questions about anything, if you have any ideas or any thoughts of some tech tips that you guys want to hear, let us know. Happy fall, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.